Listen to this.
I've been shipping ways, you lunch at the midnight. Rolling up line, I get too fucked up. Stay out till I see sunlight. Nowadays I can't feel your love.
Now listen to this.
Hey, you know how we ride on my side. I can never switch up on one of mine. You know that's a no-go.
There are literally thousands of songs like that on YouTube. And there are even some channels which are dedicated to making music like that. In order to create music, you can use this platform to create vocals which sound like mainstream artists such as Drake, Rihanna, Juice WRLD, and many others. All you have to do is actually write a song and upload a voice recording of you singing that song to the website. The AI will then transform your voice to sound like the voice of the artist which you chose, and you will be able to download it. Here's a demo.
When I say G, you say M. G, G.
When I say G, you say M. G, G.
When I say G, you say M. G, G.
I'm sure you've seen images of animals like these over the internet. An AI tool known as an image generator can create an image of anything you tell it to create. For example, you can tell it to create a photo of a cat wearing a suit while smoking a cigar, and it just does it. You can access this tool by opening bing.com and clicking on chat. Here, you can describe the image which you would like to be created, and it will do it for you. Bing doesn't only create images, but it can also perform a wide variety of tasks such as answering questions, writing essays, and even writing program code. A website called thispersondoesnotexist.com generates a picture of a random person who does not exist every time you open it. This person does not exist, neither does this person nor this person. You can also use AI to design logos and flyers just by telling it what to do. Microsoft Designer is a tool which can be used to create very professional looking designs simply by describing them in words. For example, you can tell it to create a flyer for a bakery or any other crazy thing which you have in mind, and it's going to do it for you. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. Please like if it was useful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.